Hey guys, I thought I would show you a little bit of behind the scenes. This is how I set up a folio to make sure that it is going to be very cohesive and everything is going to work the way it's supposed to, in terms of like looking good together, looking good next to each other, being in order and all that. And so I put my template pieces here. This is actually a folio that I have already made before, but I have reworked it and rearranged it so that it's a little easier to put together. And I'll be doing a video whenever I get it finished. But I put all the template pieces onto Artboards in Photoshop, and then I build out this assembly board which lays everything next to each other so that I can use it to build my mock-ups and stuff like that. And then I export all of these out after they're all filled up. I export them out to cut them on Silhouette, and that's when I video everything for you so that you can see them. So anyway, I just thought you may be interested to see this is kind of how I set things up and do it. Hope that was interesting or helpful in some way. Y'all have a good day. Bye.